Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about Cricket Wireless. Cricket Wireless has like a promotion going on right now, so that is pretty cool. So you guys can get a free Motorola One 5G with 3 months of $60 unlimited data plan. So yeah, that's the promotion that Cricket is currently running. So before I get further into the video, I'd like to give a big shout out to Dronic Warfare for this video idea. So shout out to Dronic Warfare and check out his video below. So Cricket has a promotion going on right now. Switch and save. Get a free Motorola One 5G with 3 months of our $60 unlimited plan. You guys can see right there. There's a phone right there. It's free. It's free if you guys switch to Cricket. If you guys want to get my full review of the Motorola One 5G, a link will be down below to check out that video. So check out that video to get my full review on the Motorola One 5G. So in this video, I'll just be talking about the promotion. So if you guys go to the phones page and click on the Motorola One 5G, you guys will see this pop up at the top of the phone there. So a link to this will be down below, by the way, as well. So you guys will see it right there. If you guys want to get more information about it, just click see details here. It says it requires new line and account, excludes upgrade in at&t ports. So you guys can't port from at&t to Cricket to get this deal, because that will not work. If you guys are porting from T-Mobile, Verizon, Metro and stuff like that, you guys can get this deal. Must activate on $60 a month voice and data plan. Pay first 3 months of $60 a month plan. Service $180 total at point of sale plus device tax. And $60 will be applied to first month service charge. Remaining $120 will be credited to your account and applied to second and third month service unless used on other upgrade service or features. Credit will be lost if service is cancelled. Credit is not redeemable for cash, has no cash value, and is not transferable or refundable. Other one-time fee may apply. See, so basically, you guys must switch to Cricket. Put your number over to Cricket. You guys can't port from at&t to Cricket because you guys can't get this deal here. You guys will have to pay for the 3 months of service up front, which is $180, because that's 3 months of service for the $60 plan. And then you guys will get account credits for your second and third month. So it's pretty cool there. So you guys will pay for your first 3 months of service. So yeah, but you guys are also getting the free phone as well. So I mean that's a trade-off. I don't know when this offer expires or anything. Let's see. It's $259.99 for retail price for the Motorola One 5G. So yeah, so you're basically saving $60. So if you guys were to pay $259 for the phone plus $180, you guys will be paying almost what, $500 for the phone and service. So you guys will save a few $100s on that. So you guys pay for your 3 months of service up front, you guys will get a free phone. So it's pretty cool. This phone is not a slouch either. It's a pretty decent phone there. Pretty good specs for what it is. This is a budget phone, but the specs on here are really good. So yeah guys, if you guys are looking to get a free phone and y'all guys want to try out Cricket Wireless, y'all guys can check out this deal here. I'm not sure when it is expired or nothing like that. So you guys must put your number over to Cricket, and y'all guys can't port from at&t to Cricket because you guys can't get this deal. So if you guys are porting from T-Mobile, Verizon, and carriers like that, you guys can get this deal. I think it's worth checking out, and I think it's a great deal. You know what I'm saying? You guys paid 3 months of service up front, which is $180 because that's a $60 plan. $180 for 3 months of service, plus y'all guys get a free phone. Y'all guys can't go wrong with that. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.